Probably the greatest change is the move towards gathering data across networks. So we see a growth in security operations centres. So in those places, they're really looking for graduates who can understand network traffic and host devices, the spread of malware, and a whole range of threats. So the skills level is probably increasing all the time, and industry really demands that graduates hit the ground running. Increasingly, security operations centres are after high-quality graduates, typically with honours degrees and MScs. I think this is the core of cybersecurity in the future. It's an era of big data. Your risk analysts are looking at anything that's on the horizon that happens. Maybe an event in another area of the world might actually impact your business. Many companies have businesses across the world, so it's becoming more and more important. On the other side of it, the alerts and the data that you get can also be used for things like marketing departments and sales executives. So if a sales executive wants to know how many people are visiting the site with an iPhone of a certain version, then that will be in the security log. So the tools that we're using for our security analytics can also be used from a business point of view. And we think it's really building a big data infrastructure within companies. The data that you have in your company is your advantage for your business. So businesses need to be much smarter in analysing the data that they have. So this, as I said, the same data that they're using to be able to spot intrusions is also useful for network engineers, such as when servers fall over, you can get alerted to it. Certainly a strong understanding of network protocols, understanding how networks work and how the protocols fit into them. We see also increasingly that they should really understand encryption and the scope of encryption, because a mistake in any of your cryptography could cause massive data leakage. We're building a completely virtualized training infrastructure that mirrors a real life in an industry type of environment. So it's built from servers and firewalls and network devices. It's using the latest tools, and it's all running in a cloud. So we can create an environment in an instance for our students, and they can all work together to be able to analyze the threats as they would be seen in the wild.